inside the shop and go outside the shop. So I have two actually parameters here. One is what is my stock, and then the second one is who is the worker who is dealing with the stock. So this is very important for me, because I can log on from any place in the world and just see what my stock management is, and also give my suppliers the option to log on and securely see, or send them automatically email, please send me more of this item. So this is less human touch, and it's very reliable. The third card is membership card for my shop buyers. In my shop I'm selling bicycles, and I'm going to do a renting business. So actually each shop member will have this tag, and the minute they come to the shop I can see exactly the details of the person, and what he buy, and if he's a preferred client, and give him the service based on his preferences, and also give him discount. So again, it doesn't even need to show me in the cash, because I know exactly who is this client the minute he's going into my shop. And also because I'm using now the Plone for the public information, so the same client can use this solution for the portal of the shop when he buys online, or he send me email, or he's coming to event of the shop. And the second solution with this client is when I'm going to rent a bicycle. So he will just, when he's coming inside and outside to the shop, I can just see his details. All this information is registered using the two readers that inside the shop, one in the shop entrance and one in the shop warehouse, and it's possible for me to see and view all this information online and track everything online. What it used to be takes time, which everything consumes time. So this effort can make my shop, first of all, the clients like to see it in advance, using advanced tools, and for me it takes less time to manage the stock, the workers, and to know more information about my clients. As I said, there are many different kinds of solutions for the RFID. If you want, I will give you one more example. It's about a guard who has 5 points to check every time that he is coming to the point. There is a reader, and then I can see online on the Plone portal that this guard has passed this point. He passed this point using the RFID and the distance, and then I know for sure online that this guard was in this place. I don't need actually to be there. I just need to see it online because of the reader and the tag. I talk about how it is working, what we can do. So actually the company can do different kind of solution. From the company is doing, first of all, the basic architect for what you need for your project. We define your needs. I'm presenting you the tags, the different kind of readers, and we can talk about options and ideas, where you can do it, for how long, how many tags, and the different options. Having few ideas and checking few options and different readers and different tags is very important from one side, and first and second of all is the Plone, which again we define and give you to experience the solution and what it means. As the tag prices are not expensive, the pricing of using the system and maintaining it, it's more expensive, and you need to learn about the usage and the different cost of maintaining it. It's like buying a good system. It's not only, or any equipment, it's not just buying it, it's also keeping on it and maintain it and develop it by needed. So the company, the second stage is the hardware. We bring few samples, giving you from the different tags that you need. Depends on the project. I can buy any kind of tags. There are different. I'm working with 4 factories and few other suppliers, so can bring any of demand, and for you. The second stage is the development. We're talking exactly where you want to put the cards, where you want to put the readers, what are the requirements of the information to be stored on the reader, on the card, and what the information you want to read from the reader and put it inside Plone. What we also talk about is the portal. What information you read and how exactly you want to see it, and who will see it. So this is the next stage. The last stage is the connection of everything together. This I do with development. I have a training programmers for working for years in development, and I'm giving them the solution, and with the fastest time they will develop for you the solution. The next stage is the training section. There are 3 training courses actually. 2 of them is for Plone. The training course is there are users of the system, which are the users to use the system. These people are going to be the only people who will actually see the tags information, what information was read, and they will be, in the course they will learn how to use Plone, how to read the information, and how to update the system manually if something happens. The second course option is for administrator. For the shop administrator, he needs to control the workers, to add users, to add the tags, to edit information, to do backup, to send information, and to manage the system in whole, to understand clearly how the shop is working. He's the RFID Plone administration.